Hi, welcome back to Unit 3 Punctuation. This is Lesson 3, End Punctuation. You'll find this information in your textbook on pages HB 85 and 86. This is my feline overlord, Juan. Juan has zero self-control when it comes to catnip. In fact, he ate an entire catnip plant. He and his substance abuse issue are here to help me illustrate a point about end punctuation. The point is that the end punctuation changes the meaning of a sentence. Juan ate all the catnip is a statement of fact. The period indicates not even a little surprise because I know he has no self-control. Juan ate all the catnip is a question. Juan ate that much all by himself? That's remarkable. Juan ate all the catnip is an exclamation. I could be angry or surprised that he's such a glutton. Of course, I'm neither because that dude is a stoner. Thanks, Juanito, for your help with punctuation. Use a period to end a sentence that makes a statement. This lesson will help you use periods correctly in your writing. Rose Emily Miraglio came to the United States from southern Italy as a little girl in the early 1920s and settled with her family in Altoona, Pennsylvania. These are both simple, if uninteresting, statements of fact and are appropriately ended by a period. An indirect question, which reports something that someone else has asked, ends with a period, not a question mark. Presidential candidates are often asked how they will expand the economy and create jobs. When a sentence ends with an abbreviation that has its own period, don't add another. The Rat Pack included Frank Sinatra and Sammy Davis Jr. Period. Use a question mark to end a direct question. Did I think that because I was a minority student, jobs would just come looking for me? What was I thinking? And as we just discussed a couple of slides ago, use a period rather than a question mark at the end of an indirect question. I often ask Juan why he can't save some catnip for later. Exclamation points express strong emotion, which doesn't actually belong in academic writing. Therefore, don't use them. They undermine your credibility. Use a period instead. It makes the same point without all the drama. The one exception to this is when you're quoting someone, such as, "Keith," we shrieked as the car drove away. "Keith, we love you," writes Susan Jane Gilman in Mick Jagger Wants Me. Because I'm quoting Gilman and she used an exclamation point, I have to include that in the quote. When the words themselves are emotional, an exclamation point is unnecessary and a period is sufficient, such as in this example. It was so close, so low, so huge and fast, so intent on its target that I swear to you, I felt the vengeance and rage emanating from the plane. Fontaine's words, from the repetition of the word so and the phrase I swear to you, to her word choice of vengeance and rage, carry enough emotion that an exclamation point would be gilding a lily. One place it is appropriate to use an exclamation mark is here. Because we are finished talking about Lesson 3, where we reviewed the finer points of end punctuation. Use a period to end a statement or an indirect question. Question marks belong at the end of direct questions, and exclamation points don't really belong in academic writing. Be sure to check Canvas for quizzes on end punctuation. Next time, we'll turn our attention to Lesson 4, Quotation Marks. Please let me know if you have a question. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, thanks to the folks at Slides Carnival and Unsplash for creating this beautiful template to spiff up my slides. See you next time.